Welcome back to Alpha Gunreview, your go-to place for honest, in-depth, and real-world firearm reviews. If you find our content helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to support the team. Your support helps us keep bringing you the latest and most reliable gun content every week. Now, let's dive into today's review of a handgun that might just be the best deal on the market right now. The CZ P10C Ported. Overview. The CZ P10C Ported is a new addition to CZ's striker-fired polymer pistol lineup, and it brings some serious upgrades to an already solid platform. This version features a 4-inch barrel with an integrated single-port compensator, enhanced slide serrations, and factory night sights with a U-notch rear. It also comes optics-ready with an RMR plate included, making it ideal for modern shooters looking to mount red dots with ease. Weighing in at about 26 ounces and roughly the same size as a Glock 19, the P10C Ported offers a great balance of size and capability. It ships with two 15-round magazines and includes grip backstraps so you can adjust the fit to your hand. The pistol retains the 10 series reputation for having excellent ergonomics, a low bore axis, and a crisp factory trigger. Performance and reliability. Out on the range, the P10C Ported quickly proves its value. With over 300 rounds fired between the host and other testers, the gun showed no signs of malfunction. The single-port compensator does a fantastic job reducing muzzle rise, allowing for quicker follow-up shots and more comfortable shooting, especially in rapid fire. One of the common concerns with ported barrels is a potential decrease in accuracy due to disruption of the rifling. However, this was not the case here. The pistol remained accurate even at 50 yards, easily landing shots on man-sized steel targets. This speaks to CZ's attention to detail in machining and barrel design, trigger and shooting experience. The trigger is one of the biggest highlights. Right out of the box, it's light, responsive, and offers a short reset. While it gets even smoother after 400 to 500 rounds of break-in, it already feels great during the first range session. Fast-paced shooting felt controlled and precise, aided by both the comp and the flat shooting characteristics of the 10 series. Ergonomics and controls. Ergonomics are a strong suit of the P10C line, and this model is no exception. The aggressive grip texture provides excellent traction, even with sweaty or gloved hands. That said, some shooters might find the texture a bit too abrasive during extended sessions. The undercut trigger guard and palm swell contribute to a high, firm grip, helping manage recoil effectively. Control-wise, the ambidextrous slide stop is well executed and responsive. The magazine release, though no longer ambidextrous, is precise and easier to use than the older version. Mag insertion and ejection are smooth, thanks to a subtle magazine well bevel. Strengths and features. What sets the CZ P10C Ported apart is how much value it offers for the money. For around $550 to $650, you're getting a striker-fired pistol with a built-in compensator, night sights, optics-ready slide, great ergonomics, and a top-tier factory trigger. These are features typically found in higher-end or competition-level handguns. This makes the P10C Ported not only a great concealed carry or duty weapon, but also a versatile option for range training and competitive shooting. The design updates are smart, practical, and enhance the overall user experience without compromising reliability. Weaknesses and considerations. Despite its strengths, the P10C Ported isn't without flaws. The grip texture, while effective, can be overly aggressive for some users. Additionally, compatibility with older magazines is limited due to changes in the magazine release system. If you have older 10 mags, double-check fitment before relying on them for duty or carry. The comp, while not excessively loud, may still produce increased noise and blast when shooting indoors or around others. It's not as harsh as some multi-port setups, but it's something to keep in mind, especially for close quarters or team environments. Final thoughts. The CZ P10C Ported is a strong contender in the striker-fired pistol market, especially for those looking to get the most performance per dollar. It keeps all the good things about the original pen: reliability, great ergonomics, and a sharp trigger, and adds modern features like a compensator, night sights, and optics compatibility. Whether you're upgrading from a basic striker-fired handgun or looking for a solid all-rounder for both defense and training, this pistol deserves serious consideration. The added value and thoughtful design make it one of the best ported pistols in its price bracket today. If you enjoyed this review and want to see how the CZ P10C Ported holds up over time, be sure to subscribe to Alpha Gunreview. We post 2 to 3 firearm videos every week and will be following up with a full long-term test on this pistol. Drop a like, hit that bell icon, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, stay safe, shoot straight, and we'll see you in the next video.